Sally
is doing this, but
are we good?
my sister's driving.
Okay. Woo!
I'm
No, why is
scared.
driving the worst driver?
Yeah, she said it. Worst driver. No, okay, just be careful.
Ooh.
Just go slow going down the back here.
Ooh. Ain't nobody. We don't even. The button on the floor. He's got to be joking. We're gonna have to have the bright lights on for 5 seconds. Ooh, scared for my life. Why does it sound like this? Yeah, I do. I cut it, I guess, really hard all the time. Okay, now what do I do? How do I turn it back in? I know, but I need to turn off the lights.
Put it back in drive.
Oh, I just pushed it with the front where it said lights.
In the middle of the road.
I don't know. I see brake.
It's way back here in the corner. It's behind underneath that brake.
You're gonna have to open the door. I can't even see. Right here.
No, that's a wire. It's all the way down there, like you put your foot on it.
Oh, you have to touch it for the lights.
There it goes.
Okay, well hopefully the lights are on. Never even saw that button.
Okay, is it in drive?
No.
Yep, now it's in drive.
In drive? Oh yeah, you need more power fluid. Ooh, Dad.
Be careful.
I don't like driving these type of cars. No, but you should show them. There's no drive, there's no reverse. There's
drive and reverse. You just can't see it.
No, there's no option. You can't see it. There is the ooh, I am reckless. Okay, you cannot really push on the gas. It don't really go.
It doesn't?
No.
Try it.
I'm pushing.
All the way down?
No, not all the way down. There's cars in front of us.
I would say you're going. You could be in neutral, but I don't think we'd be moving. Just go straight though. Don't go up the hill. Go straight. Keep it on the flat ground, please. I can't have us rolling down the freaking hill. Oh my gosh, I'd be so scared.
Oh, I had to press on the brake. The brake.
Yeah, and be careful. Somebody might be whipping around this corner.
Hopefully not.
No, you're fine.
Hello, my friends.
Don't watch us too hard.
Right. You'll end up on my YouTube channel.
Hey.
Okay, you like really have to.
Oh. Okay.
Oh. It's like loose down here.
It's fine. This car was probably made before we was even born.
See what year it is. I might look it up.
1942. No,
what do I do if I need to stop?
Go straight and go around the roundabout.
Okay, hold on. You see how? Ooh.
Girl, we in this old car. Ain't nobody pulling us over.
We don't even have a license plate because it's on the floor over there.
Are you serious?
I swear on my life. They gonna think I know.
Go straight.
Oh, I was going around the roundabout. Going right back to where my house is.
Right back to where we came from. This is even better. And you know what? The sun is out.
You know what? I don't know where down there goes.
It's just a big circle.
Is it?
Yeah.
My friend Dylan still lives in this neighborhood.
We used to like walk
Some
this
man just
neighborhood
waved at
so
me.
long ago.
Oh God,
He's probably like, love the car, girl. Yeah, rock and roll.
I have no
rock and roll.
Please cut this before Dad sees it. He doesn't need to see my personality. Nothing.
Nothing. Easy breezy, beautiful.
Cover
Nothing.
girl. Okay, Dad.
Turn into the nope.
Nope, I can't. I'm gonna hit the car. I ain't pulling in. No pulling in for me. Morgan's turn.
Go. Don't park on the hill. There's no emergency brake.
I'm not parking on the hill. We're switching spots.
How are we gonna get out without you pushing on the brake?
We gonna put in park. I don't know. Am I in park?
She's in park. Is that okay? Where's the emergency brake?
What y'all doing?
Switching spots.
No, Taryn's scared to pull into the driveway.
Why?
Because I'm gonna smack Teresa's car.
No, you're not.
And now
we come around
we're
that
in
corner.
park.
It was. Yeah, I'm in park. Ooh, my hair
There
is
you go.
tangling.
Yep.
It's all on you, sister girl. See, it's just hard.
Right. They'd be like, oh man, look at that 43 Gran Torino going down the hill. I'm going to be in that when I'm older. I'm going to have that as a collectible. Oh my gosh, what if when we get older, people are like, that Nissan Altima? Yep, that's going to be my collectible in 100 years.
Yep, that Ford Fusion 2017. Oh man, she's a beaut. Okay, stop at the stop sign because we ain't got no license plate. And preferably don't go in front of the cops. Little thing.
Where was it?
Wide turn.
This poor car feel like it's about to go.
I'm scared to go down this hill. Because that brake, no, you better start braking now. I'm freshly out the shower.
We boot scooting today.
Yeah, we are.
We gonna go drag racing.
No, listen, they'd be like, make sure you cut the lights when you pull up. You're gonna hear the whole engine. Morgan didn't find that funny.
Oh yeah, the engine's gonna be roaring. I'm wondering what it's doing. It's driving horribly. I'm just playing. It's not. It's just.
Yeah, no, I think it's just. I don't know. It actually just got like a. Oh, I dropped your phone out the window.
That's not even funny. It's not even funny.
If only had a fake phone or something really fake drop out the window. That would be so funny.
You'd be going right after.
Oh! Oh, there goes your phone. Oh! I'm just got the camera on you, boo. Rock and roll! Please crop that one out too. My first rock and roll, you can keep it, man. That one, terrible. They're probably like, where'd these girls get this car?
No, they're probably like, why do they keep coming back and forth with this car? Like, we don't have regular cars.
Kitty!
I just want to point this out, right? Because her,
too scared to pull in.
She kept saying, oh, let's watch her hit the cars. Let's watch her park perfectly.
Here, get it in. Get it.
Let's just watch her park perfectly.
Straight tires.
Straight tires. Straight car. Not too far up, not too far back. You see the truck? That truck's too far up. My car, not too far up.